Your banking app is one of the most important apps that you have on your iPhone. And of course, you need to protect it. Protect the app, protect the data, and everything that has to do with your banking app. So in today's video, I will show you guys 10 really important settings that I believe every iPhone user must change before they even open the banking app and try to use it on their device. Now, before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy the videos and you find them helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. Now, first of all, I suggest that you go ahead and go under Face ID and Passcode. This is a really important part. You go here and you have a few things you need to configure. Now, first of all, right here at the top, you can see what you use your Face ID for, like for, of course, iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and all that stuff. But then you will have here other apps. When you go here, you will have the apps which you have allowed to use your Face ID. And of course, you need to make sure that you actually have your banking app here and it is enabled. Now, it will be here, but if it doesn't have that button right there enabled, you need to make sure that you have it enabled. That way, every time you have to open that app, it will have to happen through Face ID. Now, if you have an iPhone where you have your banking app, but you know other people also use it, maybe in your house or anywhere, other people have access to that phone, I suggest that you actually completely hide the app from your device. And Apple allows you to do that and even hide it, of course, with Face ID. So in order to just view the app, you will need to use Face ID. Now, to hide an app, it will be very easy. You 3D touch on the app and then just tap on Require Face ID. And just like that, you can tap on Hide and Require Face ID. It will hide it so you cannot see it on your phone, and it will also require the Face ID. Then, of course, you will be able to find it right here under the hidden section. So you know it says here hidden, and you cannot even view that section without Face ID or passcode. That's how good it will actually protect and hide your banking app. The next thing you must do is head on to your iCloud at the top of your settings app and turn on advanced data protection. This will apply an end-to-end encryption to your iCloud backups. That way it will prevent banking data or session tokens from being exposed. That's actually really important, and it's very easy. You just scroll down here, you will find a section where it says advanced data protection, and from here you can go ahead and turn it on, and of course choose what you want to protect there. Always choose your banking app and you will have your data protected from being leaked. And as you probably know, and you have experienced it by yourself, whenever you try to log in into your banking app or maybe complete the transaction, most of the time it will require you to enter a code which will come to your device through iMessage. Well, those codes can be also sent to other devices when using iMessage. Now, the way to prevent that and make sure that that code will only come on your device and no other device is by going to your apps here under the settings, go to the app section and go to messages. And then here, what you need to do is go ahead and find messages forwarding. Now, as you can see right here, it doesn't show because I don't have iMessage enabled for other devices. But if it shows right here for your device, all you have to do is tap on it and make sure only the device where you want the code to be sent is selected and not the other devices. That way, it will only come to your personal device. Now, these codes, when they come to your device, they will be saved on your device. So you don't want to actually save them. You want to automatically delete the codes because that is meant to be used once. So once you use it, it's actually gone. Now, to make sure that you have that enabled on your device, head on under the general settings right here and go ahead and find passcode here, passwords actually. So let me just find passwords here. So when you go to autofill and passwords, what you need to do is make sure that you have enabled this one right here. Delete after use. This is actually, as you can see right here, for verification codes. Anytime you get a verification code on your device, you use it, it automatically gets deleted. Whether you're getting it through email or messages, it will automatically delete that for you. Moving on under notifications, and this is very important as well. Now you can see right here we have settings for all the notifications. You can also do that for notifications one by one. So basically what you need to do here is make sure that you choose to never show previews of your notifications. Anytime you get notifications from your banking app, or even the messages you get with your code for your banking app, it will show up on the notification center of your device. You don't want that to happen. You go ahead and switch to never here, and I have it set by default for all my notifications. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go to the specific app and choose never. That way you get the notification on your lock screen. It says the name of the app, but it doesn't show any preview of what's inside that notification. That way preventing anyone to see any of your information. Next up, head on back to the Face ID and passcode settings on your settings app and scroll all the way down here. You can see we have a section for allow access when locked. Make sure that you have notification center turned off right here. That way no one will be able to go to your notifications and maybe expose any of your important information when your device is locked. So I suggest you actually do this for most of the things right here, but specifically for your notifications. Next up, we're moving under the Wi-Fi settings. You have a couple of settings here you need to change under the Wi-Fi network you use, mostly of course on your home or at your work, a Wi-Fi network that you will use most of the time. Go ahead and go to that Wi-Fi network and tap the I button there. It will take you here, go to Wi-Fi, private Wi-Fi address right here, and make sure it's enabled on rotating. And then you will also have here limit IP address tracking. Go ahead, enable this as well. These are actually very, very important. And for the last two settings, we're moving under the Safari settings. So head onto your apps, go to Safari, and you will have here a setting that everyone should have enabled right here. Fraudulent website warning. Make sure you have this enabled so it will warn you for any like shady websites trying maybe to do some phishing or things like that. You will have a warning straight from Safari, which is really, really important. And then right here, you will have the last setting for this video, but also very important, hide IP address. Make sure you choose from trackers here to block phishing sites from trying to steal your banking login. So these are actually very, very important if you're using Safari to actually bank on your iPhone. So that's basically for this video, guys. These are 10 settings that I believe you must change before you try to use the banking app on your iPhone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.